operator. I think it's the operator. I thought I had it set on video, and it was a picture, and I can only imagine what the picture looks like. All right, happy Wednesday. This is the 15th of May. I had July on my brain, but I realized it's not July, Vicki, not yet. And Nomadic Fanatic must be in town because it just keeps raining. It just keeps raining. No, I'm just being funny. I don't think he's in town. And Nomadic Fanatic, for those of you that don't know, is another person who lives in it's an RV, whatever. I don't know all the classes, you know, I just don't know them. I know I need to learn them if I'm going to be in this community. But today we're going to be the part of the beauty committee. The beauty committee. And we'll talk some beauty. Now, just so you know, those of you that don't know, if I say Sarasota Tim in this video, or Nomadic Fanatic, or what's that one that I don't really like, but the geezer, I just can't stand that man. And I know he don't know who I am, and he says I'm a hater. I'm not a hater, but I don't like him. I just don't like his ways. I'm just gonna put it real out there. Anyway, if I say those names in this video, it's because that's how my video gets seen. I have to mention some of those names, or else my video don't go anywhere. And I mean, if I'm going to do YouTube, I want my video to be seen. No, I don't want to be a YouTube star or a celebrity, but I want it to be seen. All right. So what we're going to talk about, Vicki? We're going to talk about a Peaches skincare haul. All these products were bought by me. I did not get anything sent to me. Now, I do have an affiliate link with them, and it's always below. But they do not send me products anymore. They have at one time, years ago, but I don't know. I guess Lisa don't like me anymore. I don't know. And I mean, I'm not saying I don't expect her to send me anything. And I know I don't always talk about her, but I know people get tired of talking about the same thing. And I know that the reason I say that she don't like me, and I know she likes me, I'm just saying that, is she knows she don't like me wearing makeup. And I'm sorry, I'm going to wear makeup. She thinks foundation is evil. I don't. So, we all have opinions. Now, I think if you don't wash your face at night and you leave it on, then yeah, it becomes evil. But I think as long as you're taking care of your skin, getting it off every night, it's not evil. And I think foundations is nothing like what it was in the 70s and 80s and even 90s. And I'm not saying it's got skincare ingredients in it. Sure, some of them do, but it don't have anything to do with it. I just think it's better. All right, let's move on. So I'll quit fussing. All right. She's having a Mother's Day sale. I do believe the sale's still going on. 25% off, which is a great deal. And I need to stock up on one thing. So I thought, well, while I'm buying and it's on sale, I'll stock up. I'll try something else. She has some new products out and I hadn't tried them yet. So I thought, well, this is the perfect time to buy them because I love a good sale. Okay, I needed to restock on the Restore Cleanser. And I didn't have the new packaging. I love the new packaging. And this cleanser is, better close it here. This microbe fighting wash intended for post workouts, long days, and when you are more exposed to sweat, dirt, and oils, meaning makeup. This product helps to manage, and I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time reading this. Now I feel like Sarasota Tim. But it's because there's a glare on this pink, you know. This product helps to manage impurities while working to restore and soothe overworked skin. And sometimes I do have overworked skin because I use Retin A. And, you know, I have upped myself to the 1% or the 0.1. And, you know, I'm really trying to get my skin to peel at times, and times I don't really want it to peel. But times that I want it to peel, I'll use it every day. And then I'll cut back. But this has really good ingredients in it. All Lisa's products, Peaches Skincare, is made in small batches, so you know you're getting the freshest that you can get when you order. And sometimes she will have stuff to go out of stock, and that's because, you know, she wants the freshest, and there may be a delay in getting the ingredients in or something. You know, sometimes it's packaging, whatever. It's just sometimes that you may have to wait for something. All right. The two new products I ordered is the Glow Serum and the Glow Plus Moisturizer. These are the new ones, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. Now, I'm trying to use up a couple of things, so it may be a couple of weeks before I start using these. But anyway, I'm not going to try to read it because that would just make this video longer. But I know that one of these products has tranexamic acid in it, and for those of you that know this, I am a big believer in tranexamic acid when it comes to lightening your brown spots, along with vitamin C. And you know, if you are not using those ingredients, you can buy them relatively inexpensive. Now, of course, Lisa's gonna have the freshest ingredients. When you buy something from somewhere else, I don't know if they're fresh. And these are, you know, I mean, these are not inexpensive by any means. But I do believe sometimes when it comes to skincare and anything else, clothing, whatever it is, you get what you pay for. One thing I want to say, Sarasota Tim, my Dave, any man out there can use these products. You know, especially the cleanser, because they're all the time out sweating and all that stuff. And she does have other cleansers. This is not the only cleanser I use from her. I also use the Flawless Exfoliator and the Classic Cleanser. And I also will use about twice a week her other exfoliating cleanser. I can't think of it off the top of my head. I should, but my mind's racing this morning. Got a lot going on. Anyway, and I'll list it all below, just so you know what I use from them. I also use the toners, so you'll know exactly what I'm using. Now, I'm just going to try this one out real quick, so I'll know that I've tried it. Some of her stuff is naturally scented. It's not, she adds no fragrance, but it's naturally scented because she used organic, natural ingredients. It is a holistic skincare, so it's clean. If you like that word clean, it's clean. Okay, that does smell very fresh. I'm gonna rub it in on my hand, and then let you see. It does have a glow to it. Yes, that's very nice. I love the scent. It's a fresh scent. I can't tell you exactly what I'm smelling. I'm trying to look in here in the ingredients to see if I see what I'm smelling. This does have the tranexamic acid. I'm seeing that down there. It's got maybe some lavender. That's what it is. It's lavender I'm smelling. So if you like lavender, you'll like this. All right, I gotta go, y'all. I appreciate you watching me, and I'm sorry that if I said something I shouldn't have. You know me, I get on these tangents these days. But I appreciate every one of you, to all my new subscribers, to everyone that's watching me and supporting me now. I do appreciate it more than you'll ever know. So, but if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the thumbs up and leave me a comment. That's all you got to do, and I'll appreciate it very much. So I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.